How to fix Valorant Val 43 error code. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. So if you're facing this error, this is most likely due to the network connection error. This can be resolved by switching into a better network connection, that is switch your Wi-Fi to a better connection, or the another thing that you can do is you can actually unplug your router then plug it back in, basically resetting it. Now in your PC what you can do is just search for CMD, that is your command prompt. In the command prompt, first thing that you need to type is that ipconfig slash flush DNS. Then it should tell you successfully flush the DNS. After which search for netsh space winsock reset. This will reset your connection between your device and the network connection. After this, you need to reset your PC. That is basically tap on the power button and click on the restart option. After that, you'll be able to fix this issue. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.